Hi everybody, how's it going? Nazar here. We are in the Naztalgic studio here. I have been very busy. Sorry if those of you that actually look forward to my art vlogs. I haven't put one out in a while, but that's because I did put out a flea market video and a couple of out and about vlog videos where me and my girlfriend Maggie went downtown Philly, went to like a art place at Cherry Street Pier. But yeah, anyway, check those out if you're into that. But this is my art vlog, so we're in my studio. So let me show you what I've been up to, what I'm doing now. How's my studio doing? Actually, a lot of good news. So let me flip this around and show you guys what I've been up to. Alright, hey, it's my feet. This is my floor. Life of a collage artist. But yeah, I've been going through a lot of my comic books and stuff, and those things I've had them for years and years and years. So there's a bunch here that have already been picked through. So I decided to go through all of my art comics and pull out the best images, the best things I needed, and just recycle the rest because there's no need for all of it to be stacked up. So these are very well used, and probably all of the very best images are gone. So yeah, that's the update on that. This stuff here is for the flea market. This Sunday I'm gonna go try to sell some more of my toys from my collection, some Megazords and stuff like that. But yeah, those of you guys who remember, I used to have my Green Ranger collection here. So I decided to keep my collection on that wall, and everything else, like all of that stuff, is tools and art stuff. Behind there is my in-box or sealed collection stuff. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. So like Pops and Amiibo and some boxes. All my video games and VHS stuff. But anyway, so yeah, so if you guys remember, this place there was no room here. Now there's tons of room. I can actually do this, which is very important for collage. So, but yeah, here. That's my collection now. There's my Green Ranger thing. Kind of have it all set up here with all my robots, Transformers. It's pretty much everything I wanted to have in my collection, and I have it now. And those 4 bins, that's basically all of my collection and stuff. That's some art stuff on top there, but those blue bins and that clear one still have a ton of stuff. But yeah, I don't feel the need to display it all. So yeah, there you go, guys. This is what my studio looks like. There you go. Come in here, I have all my cigar boxes that are gonna have collages on them. And yeah, this is my workspace. And yeah, nice transition to collages. Got to give you a bit of a tour. This is the piece I'm working on now. It's like Scream. Don't have a title yet, but as you can see, there's many layers, and this is just the beginning. I started doing the whole background like that. These are not, you know, they're not just 6 sheets. They're all cut out from different books. Like this is one panel, this is another one, another one, another one, another one. This is a panel, like they're all separate. These guys are all cut out, as you can see, like the legs and stuff. They're hanging over other images. So yeah, I'm really putting in a lot of detail work, like all these horns and everything. Everything's cut out, teeth. These guys also, like underneath is Wolverine, and then I have Joker, then Godzilla. All of these are, all the teeth had to be cut out. This guy's his own image, put that over the top to kind of hide a bit of a spot there. But that's all background except for these pieces here and this stuff. Still have a ton to cut, still have her to cut out. I think she might go somewhere here with another image inside that mouth. I have a lot here that I already cut out and glued to foam board. And I still have a bunch of loose images like this to go in the back you know, when I need to fill a space or something. So yeah. But yeah, this thing is gonna be somewhere here with King Kong kind of coming out of the mouth. So yeah, that's the whole thing with this piece. Very excited about this. I've put a lot of thought to it. Took me about a week, about an hour or two a day to find all the images I needed to find for it. So very, very happy about that. Can't wait. Also need to recycle all that. That's gonna be fun stacking. Oh my god. But anyway. So yeah, what else have, let me zoom out here. I made these little small painting on canvas collage. So I painted the background, all that blue and yellow moon there, all the gradients. I painted all of that. And then collaged the top of that and added some, you know, a little bit of dimension with some one level. So yeah, I wanted to make a couple that are more affordable, but still cool. More minimalistic, but you know, like I used a lot of paint techniques. Like this one has a crackle effect. So, but yeah, what's that say there? Dog show's going to have to wait. Okay. I made like 4 of these Superman ones. Kind of cool. Look at that stare. So yeah, these smaller ones I'm gonna probably sell for about $50. This one's kind of has 3 levels actually. Went a little crazy with this one. So yeah, these guys, let's see. What else have I made since our last vlog? Okay, so these are all the lighters. You guys know about those. Well, those of you who are new, I make these just for fun. They're also made out of comic books. And there we go. Sorry, I have glue on my hands. But yeah, I lacquer these so that they're durable. People seem to like these. Okay, you know what? Let me put these on the table with the light. So these are some of the cigar boxes I made. I've sold a few, but each of these Godzillas are separate. Then Power Comics. Just a cigar box. I sign all my pieces. This is, what was his name? Predaking? Yeah, Predaking, I think. Yep, Predaking. A little simple one, painted the back with spray paint, a little gold, a little black, red, and then collaged Predaking over there. Nice image. Jetfire, my favorite. There he is. Sounds pretty cool. Yeah, these are nice and glossy. And some of my smaller pieces, I think you guys, some of you might have seen them. I pack them in nice little plastic cases here for small books. These are all like little minimalist collages I make for shows or whatever. These are usually like $20, 25. This one's one of my favorites. There we go. So yeah, love all these. Let's see. Oh yeah, and with this size canvases, I also made this. Very proud of this one. I did a whole bunch of different paint techniques with spray cans and scratching and like sponging different paints. And this is from the Neil Gaiman, not Neil Gaiman, what's his name? Embarrassing. Anyway, this is from a book, Batman Odyssey. I think Batman either shot a kid or did something where, because of him, this kid and his dad got shot, something like that. But it's been a while. But anyway, I found this old book with this image in it, and I was like, oh man, I gotta make this. So yeah, this is really cool. Love how that turned out. This is, I don't know if I'm done. The saying right there was already there, so I was like, alright, I'll just put Wonder Woman in front of it, do some painting. and outline the writing. So I don't know. This is like whatever. I'll probably sell this for like $5 just to like some little girl likes it at a show. Let's see, and one more. This is like my more artsy Wonder Woman one. Did a whole bunch of spray paint dribbling. But yeah, this is a cool one too. So yeah, I have a bit of variety. Alright. That's it. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. Just doing a whole lot of cutting and you know, playing around with different techniques of collage art, which I love. Any of you guys know who this is? Cryptozoic Man. Comic book man. So yeah, anyway, totally stoked with this. Working on this. It's been a while on this one. I love doing stuff like this because I'm more involved in it. It's not locked to one superhero or one character. So I can really, you know, get into it and make something unique and artsy. So yeah. Stay tuned, guys, for the next episode or whatever video. I'll keep showing you my progress and how this thing's turning out. And also, if anyone's interested in buying any of this, just send me a private message somewhere on Instagram or my Facebook account. On Instagram, I am Naztalgic_art. And so yeah, if you have any questions about any of this, just go to that Instagram account. And yeah, otherwise, me and my best friend Chris, we're starting to build like an e-commerce site, a website for setting up to sell my art there. So keep an eye out for that. I'll keep you guys posted. We have a whole like plan and stuff going. Gonna have an art show. Hopefully, maybe even put a couple of pieces in a gallery or two. So yeah, those of you who are interested in my little art path career here, stick around and keep watching my art vlogs. Those of you who like flea market videos, stick around. I'll still keep going to flea markets. I need art supplies and comic books and toys for my collages, so naturally I'll keep going to the flea markets. And those of you who like toys, I still collect toys. Fraggle Rock, everything else. It's a me, Nazario! Alright guys, thank you for watching. This has been art vlog number whatever. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.